A very charming good morning to all. How are you, Betines? Are you all fine? Okay. Now students, yesterday we have done chapter 4 of our glitter book. We have done paragraph 1 and 2. Paragraph 1, here the chapter name is Who is He and the concept was who and what. We have done first paragraph and we have done second paragraph and the concept was who and what. Then I will give you one more example. Suppose I say, you will ask me ki who are you? So what I will reply? I am Mrs. Seema Sharma. If you will say what are you? Then I will reply I am a teacher. In the same way, if I ask you who are you? So you will reply I am Sanvi. And if I ask what are you? Then what you will reply? I am a student. Now here also in this paragraph you can see a picture of a pilot. Now firstly we will see, we will ask who is she? Who is she? She is Miss Rani. Who is she? She is Miss Rani. When we will ask what is she? She is a pilot. What is she? She is a pilot. Now here also you can see a picture. In this picture one man is there. If we will ask who is he? Here it is written who is he? He is Mr. Verma. He is Mr. Verma. And if we ask what is he? He is a shopkeeper. What is he? He is a shopkeeper. Now we will read this in our book. Okay students, yesterday we have read the two paragraphs of chapter 4. Chapter name is Who is He? And here yesterday we read about Sachin, who is a cricketer, and next teacher who teaches students. Now today we will read this third paragraph and here you can see a pilot. What you can see? Pilot who flies an aeroplane. So we will read here from the chapter. Who is she? When we will ask who is she? So her name. She is Miss Rani. Who is she? She is Miss Rani. What is she? What is she? She is a pilot. She is a pilot. What does she do? She flies aeroplanes. What does she do? She flies aeroplanes. Please show me your plane, Miss Rani. Where is the aeroplane? Here you can see the aeroplane. Now here also I have underlined three words. First is pilot. P-I-L-O-T, pilot. You know now what is pilot? Who flies an aeroplane? We call her or him pilot. And the second spelling is flies. F-L-I-E-S, flies. And next spelling, very easy. You always use this word. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Now next paragraph. Who is he? When we say who is he, so we will take his name. We will tell his name. He is Mr. Verma. Who is he? He is Mr. Verma. He is a shopkeeper. If I say what is he, so answer is he is a shopkeeper. What is the spelling of shopkeeper? I have underlined shop, S-H-O-P, shop, keep, K-E-E-P, keep-er, E-R-er, shopkeeper. He keeps many things in his shop. You can see here many things in his shop. So we have to read it. Next, I like his shop. Let's buy some sweets from his shop. Let's buy some sweets from his shop. Okay beta, you have to do reading and you have to write underline words also in your notebook. First word was pilot, second is flies, next is please, next is shopkeeper, and next is things. 5 words yesterday you have written and 5 words today you will write in your notebook, and you have to learn spelling and you have to write also. Okay, thank you beta.